Hello, this is Dr. Alan Nazeri, and welcome to my Sales Mastery Training Program for dentists and the dental team members. Now, this program is a collection of my nearly 30 years experience as a clinician, as an entrepreneur, as well as a dental consultant, consulting with hundreds of dental offices across the world. Now, sales mastery, or the subject of sales, is a forbidden subject among many healthcare professionals, and at least many people shy away from speaking about it publicly. But you and I both know sales is absolutely important to our practice. Without sales, we cannot buy the toys we want. We cannot hire the people we want. We cannot give back to our charity. We cannot take care of our family. We cannot invest in our personal and professional development and so forth. So sales is absolutely important. Now, if you don't like the word sales, you can certainly replace it with the word help. If you're able to help as many patients as often as possible, then you can reach your goals, your dreams, anything that you have in mind. So this program has to do with communicating with patients about their desired treatment. See, sales is defined as communicating, persuading, convincing others to engage into an activity. And it does not always involve money. Now, this program, I will cover various aspects of the sales cycle. We'll discuss why sales is important. So when you have dentists in your office or dental team members that you tell them that, hey, they should be producing more. They don't think, hey, this is for him to put everything in his pocket. We'll discuss the various parts of the sales cycle. We'll discuss contact. What are the emotional turnoffs during a contact that can be a silent killer to your practice? We'll discuss elevator pitches, why they're important. We'll discuss handoffs. What are handoffs and why it is important to use handoffs properly, and how the handoffs can be used to promote you and your practice and the services you provide. Then we'll go into the clinical discovery section. And this clinical assessment section has to do with questioning. How can we ask good questions so we can get great answers from our patients? Let me give you an example. If I had a patient in the chair and she was missing a tooth, if I go in, and most dentists, they do this, they go in and they automatically treatment plan the patient for a dental bridge or partial or some sort of a dental implant. Without asking the patient the question, we can come across as pushy salespeople or somebody who wants to try to convince people to get things done. However, if I ask the patient, hey, Mrs. Jones, how long have you been missing this tooth? Well, she says, oh, doc, about 40 years. I said, well, how have you been chewing without the tooth? And she says, well, I've been chewing fine. I haven't had any problem. No matter how much scientific evidence, research I bring to her, she's not going to listen to me about doing an implant or a crown or a bridge, whatever that is. So questioning is very important. So during this phase, I'll give you clinical scripts for various dental procedures: cosmetic dentistry, perio, crown and bridge, oral surgery, implants, that you and your team can role play during your morning huddles or your weekly meetings, so you can become a master in communicating with patients. Now, there's a catch to this. You have to become an excellent clinician if you're going to become a master sales dentist. You cannot fake it. This program is for clinicians that they are also highly skilled, or they are on the way to become highly skilled. So you cannot become a better salesperson than a clinician. Otherwise, you're going to be giving a lot of refunds. And I will cover a story for you within my video, how I came to realize that. Then we will discuss mastering objections, how to handle objections. So when patients come in and they tell you, oh, I got to talk to my husband, my wife, how to handle that. How do we handle other objections, such as pain, such as the time? What's the difference between an objection and complaint? Why we need to know the difference between objection and complaint. Then we discuss presentation. And presentation would mean how, where, when we need to present the treatment plan. What time of the day we present the treatment plan, when we present the treatment plan, all have different impact on our sales conversion. Then we discuss closing, different phases of closing. When do we need to start asking a closing question? What are the type of questions we will ask? In addition to this, I will include 3 videos as a bonus for you. One is elevator pitches. We discuss why that is important and why your dental team must be able to give precise and consistent information to the patient all the time so they're not confused. Then I'll give you a bonus video on how to increase the transaction volume of each patient. We'll introduce you and your team to cross-selling, cross-referring, bundling, promoting, and every one of these terminology, once understood and applied immediately, it's guaranteed that will add revenue to your practice immediately. So if you have a lot of over-the-counter products that are not being sold, you need to have them watch this program. Then finally, I will give you a bonus video on mastering cosmetic dentistry communication skills with the patient. See, the problem is that many dental team members, they don't even know what to look for. And if they don't know what to look for, they don't know what to ask. So this program will teach your dental team about the smile design principles and the conversation scenarios that they can have at every encounter, whether it's a hygiene encounter or during the x-ray process with a patient, so they can open up the conversation about cosmetic dentistry and making them look better, feel better, younger, and so forth. So this program is part of a pre-launch program for the Dental Business University that will be launched on January 1st, 2019. It's an online platform. University will bring to you a 360-degree solution to your business needs. We'll cover subjects such as leadership, sales, marketing, customer service, M&A, how to scale, how to develop your business, how to get it ready for private equity investment or take it into an IPO or a public listing company. But the first core curriculum is about sales, because without sales, again, nothing happens. Without sales, I've had some sort of a business engagement, either as a client or as a friend previously. I need your support to help me launch this university program. Because of this, I have reduced this pre-launch program price significantly for you, so I can get your honest feedback on this program and also get a video testimonial from you once you apply the principles and you are successful in seeing results. So this program, as of January 1st, will be launched for about $5,000. Now, the price that I have chosen for you is not $5,000. It's a lot less than that, and it's listed on your email below. Taking dentists, they're producing $1,000 a day to $4,000, $5,000, $10,000 a day. So I'm confident this video and all these teachings going to work. Now, this is a team effort, though. More people on the team are on board, better results you will get. But I do need your support in this process. So you will also get a 1-hour free consultation with me so we can discuss anything about you and your practice. Thank you very much for your attention. I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.